I just wanna get away. styling my hair. This wig was sent to me from Alipearl Hair. Big shout out to them for sending me up this wig. I cannot remember the specs. I think this is a 24-inch, and I want to say it's a 180 or a 200% density, but I'm gonna have the correct information down below in the description box. But with this wig, y'all, I didn't do much plucking. I did very light plucking, so it's giving a very full hairline, very natural tease, and I have been loving doing just body curls, just nice, fun, natural, fluffy looking hair. And as y'all saw, I did curl this hair with my Babyliss 1 1.5 inch curling iron. I've been really loving the body curls look. It just looks so natural and just so effortless and sexy at the same time. And yeah, y'all, I am feeling it. Again, this is from Alipearl Hair. The hair is love, okay? This hair, it feels so good, y'all. This hair feels so good. Like, this is some good quality hair. So if you're looking for some bomb quality hair for a good affordable price, I would definitely say check out Alipearl Hair for sure. This hair feels so good. I cannot stop running my hands through it. But I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all can just see like how buttery this hair is, okay? So yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna keep rambling. Again, I do love this wig. Definitely check the description box if you're interested in this wig or this company. Thank y'all so much for watching another one of my videos. I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.